science fans.
Hi.
We're back with another science experiment from Frightful First Experiments by
Gals. I forgot for a minute.
So, and if you remember, we are trapped in science towers and we can't get out until we've completed all of these experiments.
Mm-hmm.
So, we've got a letter here.
Okay.
Shall I read it?
Yeah.
So it says, Experiment 6, Baron Frankenstein's Floating Egghead.
Ooh.
Well, you managed the last experiment, so we'll give you a jigsaw piece. So you've got a jigsaw piece. How many have you got now?
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I'm correct, this should fit on here.
Oh, nice. Okay. So we've got. So it says, let's see how you get on with experiment 6. It's exceptional. Ha 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 from Baron Frankenstein. So Baron Frankenstein's Floating Egghead.
That's a bit of a weird name.
It is. So what do we need for this one? Do you want to see if we've got it?
Uh-huh.
We need an egg.
Sheldon!
We need a waterproof felt tip pen.
You could use any old Sharpie.
We need a large glass.
Oh,
We need a measuring jug.
got it.
We need some salt.
Salt.
We need a tablespoon. And we need some cold water.
Which is in the measuring
Right.
jug.
So we've left this cold water in the fridge for about 2 hours. So, should we get going?
Yeah.
Right.
I'll set these
So
aside.
what it says to do is pour 250 millilitres of water into the glass.
Which is...
So it's at 700 at the moment.
Which should be right here.
No, that's how much. So it's at 700. So if you take 250 away from 700, what do you get?
Going here.
450.
Okay.
So pour it until it's down to 450.
Okay.
Ideally without getting it all over the table.
Oh yeah, so we've had some of that experience.
Yeah.
I'm going to see how far it is. Okay, so it's at 600.
Okay.
And we needed at 450.
So there's another 150 to go. How are you doing now?
Almost there, we've got about 1 point away.
Okay, so just a little bit more then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, let me just check. Tiny bit more.
Go on then. Don't think it has to be too exact.
You know? Oh, is that okay? For goodness sake.
That's perfect. Right, I'll move this out of the way a minute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put the egg in the water. Now, do you think the egg is going to sink or float?
First I have to put a face on it.
No, you don't.
Oh. So I think it's going to sink.
You think it's going to sink. So you think that this egg
Will sink.
is denser than water, so it's going to sink. Okay.
Can we try?
I would recommend that you put it on the spoon
Yes.
and use the spoon to get it in the water so that it doesn't break. Okay.
Like this?
That's it.
You could just done
Oh, you could have done something. Ah, there. So there we are. You are completely right. It sunk.
And that's the experiment. Bye, fans.
So there you go, science fans. You can see the egg has gone to the bottom of the glass. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the egg out.
Oh dear. You better.
Would you like me to do it?
I don't want to crack Sheldon.
Sheldon, is that its name?
Yeah, I want to draw a face.
So I'm
on
going
it.
to take the egg out. Now we should have probably got a bit of tissue actually.
Want me to get some?
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Okay, I shall be back in a minute, science fans.
Okay. So we're going to dry off the egg. Okay.
Shall I wrap Sheldon?
So if you do this experiment, science fans, get some paper towel or something, which isn't in the instructions, but it's probably quite useful.
The bad thing is, all the stuff we had to get was not in the kit.
Well, that's very true, actually. So we bear that in mind when we do the score. Right. So now we're going to draw a face on Sheldon.
Can you hold him?
Is it because he's got a shell that he's called Sheldon?
Yeah.
Oh, clever. Right, do a good face.
I have an idea. On science fans, you'll see in a minute. Okay, there we go. Do you want to...
Okay, so
So
Sheldon's actually a cat.
Sheldon's a cat!
Okay, so we're just waiting for that to dry a bit. We'll put Sheldon the cat in this little...
I think Sheldon's a good name for a cat.
Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put some salt in this water.
And
Right.
precisely 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons of salt, which is quite a lot.
Don't drop Sheldon!
Now, anybody who remembers our
Sugar.
experiment will know that it was quite a lot. So,
And I don't think they should have asked
do you want me
us.
to do it?
Yeah.
Okay,
I don't
so
think
4 tablespoons.
we needed that much sugar last time. Oh, that actually looks a bit like sugar.
Woo! So we've got over the table. 1.
What? Oh god, that's already a lot. Oh no. I feel like this is going to be like a
2.
sugar experiment. Now kids, don't drink salt
3.
water that has this much salt in it. It's very bad for you.
4. Right.
Should we mix it in, okay?
So yeah, I'm going to mix it in.
With the pen?
No, I'm going to use the spoon.
Alright, the spoon.
Because,
I
you
forgot
know,
about that.
spoons are mainly better at mixing than pens. So we're going to mix it in till it dissolves, which
Now that is proper salt water.
Yeah.
Don't drink this, kids.
No, it'll make you sick.
Make you very
Now, because the
sick.
water's cold, it might take a little while for it to dissolve, but...
Doesn't matter. It says it.
We'll
should be
keep
cold.
going.
Oh, it is really cold.
Okay.
Do you think?
So now what we're going to do, and maybe I'll do this bit as well,
Yeah.
right, is we're going to really slowly
Ooh, I'm not mixing it in. Apparently.
put the some of this water on top and try not to mix it in. So I'm just going to wait for this to stop spinning around a bit.
But that will take.
And I'm going to slowly trickle.
But it's mixing.
I know, but it's alright. It'll separate,
It will.
hopefully.
What if it doesn't? Oh, it is kind of. Kind of. Just do a bit more on this side. Move it.
Alright.
I like to move it more.
Now,
Sheldon.
try putting Sheldon in now, see what happens.
Can I just use my hand?
Yeah.
Oh! Sheldon floats. Should we hold that up to the camera?
So now, Sheldon's floating.
Show the camera his face.
See?
Sheldon's happy. Sheldon is
Sheldon is floating. If we'd use different colour water, which maybe would have been a good thing to do actually. What you should see is that Sheldon would float at the interface between the salty water.
Just put some more water in. Oh, but it's rising. It's just rising.
No, it's alright. Because he should sink. It's difficult not to disturb the salty water.
Oh, look, he's sinking.
So what you can see there, that's better. So you can see he's
Oh my God,
sinking.
He's happy. Oh.
He's sinking in the normal water, but he's floating in the salty water.
Show the camera.
Well, I don't want to disturb it too much, but
Show Sheldon.
there you go, science fans. He's suspended in mid-glass.
Why is he moving?
So, what do you know why that's happening?
No.
It's all to do with something called density.
Tell me.
Do you understand about density?
Yes.
So density is defined as being how much something weighs, or the mass of something, divided by the amount of space it takes up, or the volume, right? So if you have something that takes up a lot of space but doesn't weigh very much, so let's say a sponge,
Yeah.
quite light but quite big, that's not very dense because its volume is big
Yeah.
Takes up a lot of space, but its weight is small.
Yeah, it's got lots of air bubbles in.
So it tends to be less dense than water, so it'll float, won't it?
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah.
god, you've got
I know, I've got salt everywhere.
salt everywhere.
Whereas if something is very dense,
You've got
right? Listen, if something is very dense, it takes up a small space, yeah, but it's quite heavy. So this, like, for example, quite a small space, feel how heavy it is. So
That would definitely sink in water.
That's dense. So when you have something that is less dense in something that's more dense, it will float. So what's going on here is Sheldon is more dense than normal water, so he sinks in normal water. But the salt in this water has made the water more dense.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
So
now he's floating.
So that's why you need a lot of salt.
You do need.
Unlike that sugar experiment, there was really they should ask us
too much sugar experiment in that.
Sugar.
So that's it. So different densities. What do you think of that?
Can I tell you what I truly think?
What?
I truly think you dropped salt everywhere.
Well, I did, yeah, but that's okay. So there we go. So that was the floating egghead experiment.
Egghead, I can't get over that.
Would you like to give it a score?
Yes, you go first.
Okay.
Shall I get Sheldon out?
No, I think Sheldon's happy in there. He's okay.
Okay, he's swimming. What if he's drowning?
No, I think Sheldon's fine. So I'm going to give the floating egghead a. Nine.
No, Mama, that's your 6.
Oh, can't it be a 9 as well?
The other one's your 9.
Wow.
I think you went past your 9.
Right. Oh, how do you know that which is the 9 and
Just
which is
use,
the 6?
this one's more fancy.
Okay, so I'm going to give it a 9. What are you going to give it?
I am going to have to go with 9 as well. I
Yeah.
love Sheldon.
So you tell me why you gave it a 9.
Can I tell you one of the reasons? Because of Sheldon.
Because of Sheldon.
That's one of the reasons.
You're right, Sheldon's
The
cool.
other reason is because it's pretty cool.
Yeah?
Like, you wouldn't normally see an egg mid-floating in water.
I know, it's like...
And it doesn't look like it's salt water.
No, it's clearing now, isn't it?
It looks like... And why does the egg look round now?
Well, that's something
Why have
else,
we got
isn't
a
it?
round egg?
Right, so,
cute.
go on, tell me why you gave it a 9.
Because it's pretty cool and I love Sheldon. Oh, now we can't see Sheldon.
Okay, so I gave it a 9 because it's pretty cool and there's some really good simple science in it, all about density.
Do you like Sheldon?
I do like Sheldon. But the reason I didn't give it a 10 is because it didn't use anything from the kit. And it annoys me when that happens.
Sheldon.
So there we are. So there we go, science fans. So we're giving it a 9.
Yeah?
Okay, so that's 9 for the floating egghead. So there we go. Right, well, we'll see you next time then, science fans. Bye for now.
Bye! Hold on, bye from Sheldon.
And bye from Sheldon.
Bye.